be doing the last step, which is the corners in the right position and the place. Okay, let's start. First, we find the correct corner. A correct corner is like this. See red, blue, and yellow. Or if it's in its right position, it's also called a correct corner. So you always start with this, and you just always start with the correct corner. Just do this step, like this, and bring it back. There we go. Now we have all the correct corners. Now we do this step, which is the last one. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's the correct corner. Now we search the other. Now we swoop to the other one and just do the step again until you have this. We have 2 more corners left. Let's start with this one. 1, 2, and then 3, 4. This, like this, like this. And we go like this. Start with this one. It didn't work, try again. Then we always do the step. And stop until you see this line. And there's another one, scooch it up. And do that step again when you scooch it up. And we're done.